Creativity is the central force that delivers the greatest economic rewards. It is creativity that provides a differential advantage in the marketplace. It is creativity that separates man from beast and leaders from followers. In an economy that is driven by innovation, creative block, like a gridlocked highway, can prevent you from delivering a product to the marketplace, and your competitors may win the battle. Imagine the power of instant creativity, innovation on demand. This is the reward for attending my creativity seminar. Once you learn the secrets of stimulating creativity on demand, you will experience a lifetime of spontaneous explosions of creativity at will. This seminar is a date with your future. You cannot put a price on this priceless education and inspiration. I will provide this seminar to one person or to 100 people for one small fee. You and I both know that one great idea at the right time will easily compensate for the cost of this creativity seminar. Remember, this seminar is a date with your future.